Alright, for this last question, objects in orbit appear weightless. This is not because there is zero gravity in the space below. Explain why there can never be zero gravity. Then explain why objects that are in orbit appear weightless. So, think back to Newton's thought experiment, where he was thinking about launching that cannon, and then the projectile went some distance, and when you launch it faster, it went some distance, even further, went some distance. Every time a projectile is launched, after it's been given this start, after it's been fired off, it's in free fall. So this cannon is also in free fall, and when you fire it fast enough, it's going to start falling and miss the Earth. So this creates this orbital motion. And while an object is in orbit, the only force acting is the force of gravity. Well, whenever the force of gravity is the only force acting, we are in free fall. Or objects in orbit appear weightless. So the International Space Station, at least at the recording of this video in 2023, is orbiting the Earth. Because it's orbiting the Earth, it's in free fall. It's falling towards Earth. Everything inside of it is also in free fall. Everything inside of the International Space Station is also falling towards Earth at the same rate. It's not going to be 9.81 meters per second squared. It's going to be like 8 meters per second squared, but it's falling towards Earth. So because they're falling at the same time, the spaceship falls, the astronauts fall. The astronauts will never hit the floor because they're falling at the same rate. So everything appears to be weightless while you're in free fall. You can see this in some astronaut training. Actually, if you wanted to spend, I think it's like $70,000 for a flight to hop aboard the Vomit Comet. The Vomit Comet runs these parabolas. So the plane goes up, and then it quickly takes a dive down. And as it takes a dive down, the plane is falling faster than Earth's acceleration due to gravity. So everything inside of the container is in free fall, and they will never hit the floor because they're not falling as fast as the plane is. It's the same concept there. These parabolas are only like 20 seconds long, so I don't know if $70,000 is quite worth it.